joining me for another video. My name is Kanella Ciraco and welcome to my YouTube channel. All right, everybody, it is 2 days before Christmas, okay? And I'm super excited. My kids are super excited. I think everyone's excited. So this is going to be a Christmas themed pour. For those of you who do celebrate Christmas, I'd like to wish you all a very Merry Christmas or Happy Holidays to the rest of us. I said the rest of us, and it made me think of the Seinfeld. I used to watch Seinfeld, one of my favorite shows, Happy Festivus from George Costanza. I love that show. Anywho, sorry, that just totally like threw me off my train of thought with my painting here. I just said, oh, it was so weird. Anyway, okay, enough of that. Let's keep going. So this, as I mentioned, is going to be a Christmas theme pour. And of course, I'm continuing on with my series of all about that base, which means every video is going to have a different color base. As you know, I'm in the middle of moving. You guys are watching this a couple of days before Christmas, but I'm actually recording this video in November, mid-November. But yeah, alrighty. So I am working on a 12 by 16 inch canvas, and my base color is going to be Phthalo Green by Amsterdam. And as you can see here, it's actually a transparent color. It's a very transparent paint. So Phthalo Green. So what I did was I painted my edges, as you can see. I just take a paintbrush, dip it here into the paint, and I do my edges on all my pieces just so that I can have perfect coverage when I do my painting. So the colors I'm using tonight are Pinterest, from Pinterest, and I'm gonna try to remember to put, I haven't done that in all the other videos, but I thought about it today. And I'm going to try to remember to put the Pinterest picture of the idea of where I got if I got the color ideas from Pinterest. I'm going to try and put it here and show you guys where I got the idea from. So the colors I'm using today are going to be Carmine by Amsterdam. Then, of course, I'm going to use 24 karat gold by Deco Art. And then I'm going to use this Quinacridone Crimson by Holbein. I really like that dark, rich burgundy color. And then topping it off, I'm going to use Pearl Cactus Green by Arteza. So those are my colors. Here is my base. And then, of course, I'm going to be using the flower hair dryer. Okay? So that is what I'm using, and I just noticed my canvas is a little wobbly, and I don't know why, because I literally just, oh, did I pull it off? Let's see here. Okay. So did I? Just got to move this push pin out a bit. Okay. Sorry, I thought I had that one all ready to go. There. Now I'm perfectly level. All right, good. Okay, so I'm ready to go. I'm going to flood my canvas and I'll be right back. All right, okay, so ready to go. I have flooded the canvas. I have popped all the bubbles, and I'm gonna get started. And I think I'm gonna do just my traditional wispy here because these colors, I don't know, we'll see how it pans out. Pinterest always has great color ideas, but you never know how it's gonna work with paint, right? Especially when you start blowing it around. So, usually I'll do a wispy here. Let's go opposite. Let's try it backwards, shall we? Let's go backwards. All right, let's go that way. That's so pretty, actually. That's actually really pretty. All right, 24 karat gold, and I'm not gonna overdo it. Not gonna overdo it. Very little, because it will take over. Now I'm going backwards. All right, I'm really liking this crimson here. So I did squeeze a lot of that on there. All right, and then the cactus green, which is my Arteza pearls, which I really, really love. The Arteza pearls, such beautiful colors. All right, colors are down. Let's pop the bubbles. All right, I'm excited to see what's gonna come about here. So I'm gonna start here in the middle, as you all know, and work my way out. Let's get started. Okay, the gold is looking on the smidge of orange a little bit, but again, I don't really care. I'm really, really loving the quinacridone crimson with this hunter green, or phthalo green, pardon me, because this looks bright right now, but when it dries, it's going to be so dark. So the crimson here with this phthalo green when it dries is going to be stunning. Now, when I was blowing this out, I had an aha moment because I just realized something. You see here when I blew it out, you can see the green here that has come through, the base color. But look over here. Do you see that over here anywhere? No. You know why? With my other hair dryer, it's all about the angle, guys. I'm telling you. So I always blow on an angle. Let me see if I can show you guys in the camera. It's almost at an angle like this when I blow, okay? And that's what's happening when I'm getting the base paint, when I'm holding it like this. So if you go back and you rewatch the video where I did this part, you'll see I actually held it more not straight, but just on a little bit of an angle. I think that's my problem here. I think I'm doing this too much and it's bringing in the base paint. And when I did this, you see the difference? I did this and now look, the base paint did not show up in any of this. Well, aside from that, I am loving this piece and I love how the cactus green is just all in this, because when it dries, it's going to be like shimmer and what was the word I used in a previous video? It glows. That's it. It glows. So let me see. I think I want to try and blow out a little bit of this red here, the crimson. No, carmine. Sorry, carmine. I'm going to try and blow that out just a little bit. Okay, and then I don't really think I want to do anything else. I'll be honest, I actually like the green in here. I'm gonna blow a little bit here because I want to see if I can get more of the crimson. This is the crimson, quinacridone crimson. Oh, that's much nicer. I'm not gonna touch anything else. I really, really like it. Once again, Pinterest. Once again, Pinterest, bravo, bravo. All right, so I am going to fix my edges with my squeeze bottle and I will be right back. All right, everybody. So before I show you the close-up, don't forget to take your stick and scrape those drips. I've already done it, but just don't forget to scrape those drips. All righty. So let's see how this looks. Now, my camera is not showing the true green color here, so I'm really hoping you're getting the true green. I really like this piece. It turned out so pretty. Now you see here how you can't see any of the base paint that came through with the blowout. And then over here, you do see it. But I also got some really nice cells over here as well. So there you have it with the lights on. Let's turn them off. All right, so the flash is on. And I think the colors just show way better right now. Look how rich that red is. Oh, look at all that shimmer. Now that's obviously only from the 24 karat gold. Look at that. It's almost like a fire color mixing in with the red. And of course the pearl. The pearl cactus, I believe it was, by Arteza. So definitely lots of shimmer in this beauty. Wow, I love it. It is going to shine. There you have it, everyone. I would love to know what you guys think about this piece in the comments below. If anyone is interested in this piece, you can email me at kanellaciraco@gmail.com. All the information you need to know is listed in the description below if you want discounts on specific products. My Amazon shop, my links to my Amazon shops are listed in the description below as well. And that's it. So again, I just wanted to wish everyone happy holidays, you know, have a Merry Christmas. And that is it for me. So I hope you guys have a great, great holiday. And until next time, thanks so much for watching. Have a good day. Have a good night. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.